In this time I will show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower with 3D petals. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. Begin the work from the round element. How to make it you can find in tutorial 7 of Crochet Elements and Projects playlist. The last round of this element consists of 16 single crochet stitches. Begin the work. Turn the work. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. Take a bead, put it on the hook. The hole is big enough so crochet hook fits through the bead easily. Skip the next stitch and single crochet through the next stitch. As you can see, I did single crochet with bead, chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Skip the next stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a bead, put it on the hook. We skip the next stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. It should be 8 beads. I joined 8 beads. Work a slip stitch into the chain stitch that we did with bead. First round is made. This is back side and it is front. Let's begin the second round. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then chain and 3 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Chain and double crochet into the stitch of the previous round. Chain and 3 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Chain and double crochet into the stitch of the previous round. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch by making a slip stitch. Round is made. Begin the next round. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 3 for the chain space. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the middle double by making double crochet. Chain 3 for the chain space and skip the next stitch and double crochet through the next stitch. Chain 3 for the chain space, we skip the next stitch and double crochet into the second stitch. Chain 3, skip the next stitch and double crochet through the next stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. After we have done chain space, insert the hook into the third chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. By making a slip stitch. Round is made. Begin the next round. I'm going to make big and small petals. Begin from the big one. Turn the work. Chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round by making a slip stitch. Turn the work to the front side. Work into the chain space. Single crochet. Make half double crochet. Double crochet. And treble crochet. Make 7 double treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. Turn the work. I will working with these stitches. In this case, this is chain, and then it is going to be stitches. Five double treble crochet stitches into this stitch. 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat again. 3, 4, and 5. Continue 5 double treble crochet stitches into this stitch. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first petal is almost ready. Let's complete it. Insert the hook into the next stitch by making a slip stitch. The first petal is made. I remind you, this is the big one. Begin the small one. Turn the work. Chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the stitch by making a slip stitch. Turn the work into the chain space. Single crochet, then half double crochet and double crochet. Seven treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the seventh one. I will work with this stitch. Turn the work 5 treble crochet into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round by making a slip stitch. The small petal is ready. Let's look at our petals. The big petal is made of double treble crochet stitches and the small one is made of treble crochet stitches. Let's look at the back side. And this is front. Turn the work. Chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round. By making a slip stitch. Turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and so on. It will be a big one. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done all petals, and after we have done the last one, now complete this round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. I have already cut off the yarn. The flower is made. I straight up my petals. For demonstration, I have made the exact flower of variegated yarn, and it is front. Let's take a look at the back side. This is the third example in white color. Thanks for watching.